Constitution breakdown. Constitution. If you didn't know how to know what that meant. Article 1 creates the legislative branch, which creates the Congress. There are two parts that make up the Congress, the Senate and the House of Representatives. Qualification of the Senate are you must be 30 years old, been a U.S. citizen for 9 years, and live in the state you represent. There are 2 senators per state, which equals 100 total. They have 6 years terms. The qualifications of the House of Representatives are you must be 25 years old, a U.S. citizen for 7 years, and live in the state you represent. The size of the House of Representatives depend on the number of states' population. They have 2-year terms. The Congress has the power to collect taxes, borrow money, make laws, and declare war. The elastic clause allows Congress to make laws and needs to carry out its own powers. A writ of habeas corpus issued by a judge requires a law official to bring a prisoner to court and show cause for holding the prisoner.
Article 2 creates the executive branch. The president is the chief executive. It also includes the vice president and other departments. Qualifications of presidential candidates must be at least 35 years old, a natural-born citizen of the U.S., and have 14 years of residence in the U.S. The executive branch has the power to negotiate treaties, carry out laws, represent the U.S. when dealing with foreign countries.
Article 3 creates the judicial branch. They interpret the laws, exercise the power of judicial review, and Chief Justice presides over trials of president impeachment.
Article 4 is about the states. This article states how each state has to represent the laws and court decisions of other states. New states can be admitted. All states must have a Republican or representative type of government.
Article 5 describes the amendment process. So let's skip to Article 7, which describes the ratification process. 2/3 of the Congress have to agree, and 3/4 of the House has to agree to amend or ratify.
And finally, Article 6 describes the Supreme Law Plan. And this is the breakdown of the Constitution.
Constitution.